Hello, in this quick video, I'll show you how to trim, cut, and split a layer in Adobe After Effects. I'm using footage from Pixabay. You can find the download link in the description. First, I'll click and drag the file into After Effects so we have the footage in the project panel. Next, I'll drag the footage into the composition. Now it becomes a layer in the timeline. As you can see, this clip is a little longer than 13 seconds. Method 1, trim by dragging. If you want to trim the layer manually, move your cursor to the start or end of the layer. When the cursor turns into a double-sided arrow, click and drag to shorten the layer. You can do this on both sides. For example, I'll trim the clip so it plays from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. This method is best when you want to quickly adjust a layer visually. Method 2, trim using shortcuts. Now let's use a faster and more precise method with keyboard shortcuts. I'll move the current time indicator to the 4-second mark, then press Alt plus left bracket to trim the start of the layer. Next, I'll move the time indicator forward and press Alt plus right bracket. Now the end of the layer is trimmed to 10 seconds. This method is best when you need accurate cuts at an exact time. Method 3. Split a layer. To split a layer, move the current time indicator to the point where you want to cut, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus D. This splits the layer into two separate layers at that point. Splitting is useful when you want to apply different effects or animations to each part. And that's how you can trim, cut, and split layers in After Effects. If you're new to After Effects, make sure to watch my After Effects Basics tutorial for beginners, where you'll learn about layers, compositions, and common beginner mistakes.